I've been round a load of snakes that I thought was my brethrens. I've been taking loads of L's, but they weren't losses, they were lessons. I hit rock bottom, I had to level up. I got knocked down, I kept getting up. I'm in a
Why? 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 Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica West Gamer here with another reaction. And today we're here with Morrison Daily Duppy, guys. Yep. Morrison Daily Duppy. Morrison, pick up your fucking self. Graham Daily, pick up on yourself if you keep bringing this fire day in, day out. You like it? So, without further delay, we're gonna jump in another one and see what I go on. Let's go.
Yo, turn the beat up a little bit.
Turn up the beat! Turn up!
Yo. Been shot, been stabbed, we know how they both feel. Being rich, being poor, we know how they both feel. They fake but acting so real, I've been knee deep in the trenches. We spent most of our lives in jail, cause we don't speak when police ask questions. Man, they made us see.
No, you're not gonna just say all of that and just think to me, I'm gonna say, alright, make it go on. No! You're not gonna just say all of that and just think me, I'm gonna say make it go on. It not gonna go on. Me gonna pull it back it. Me gonna pull it up back again. Let's go.
Yo, turn the beat up a little bit. Morrison. Yo. Been shot, been stabbed, we know how they both feel. Being rich, being poor, we know how they both feel. They fake but acting so real, I've been knee deep in the trenches. We spent most of our lives in jail, cause we don't speak when police ask questions, man.
Been shot, been stabbed, you know what it both feel. Been poor, been rich, you know what it both feel. The part of me like though, him say yo, him spend most of him time in jail because him not answer question to police basically. Him not answer question, so him we take the time for me G. Like him say yo, maybe do the time. Like him say yo, maybe do the time for the G them. But Morrison, sorry, big up.
They've obviously you're broken stressing. They wanna see me put my mic down, grab my mask and load my weapon. First I asked God to protect me from my enemies trying to get me. Then I started losing my brethren. Thank you God I get the message, it's a cold world. Oh well, let's crack on with these coke cells. Let's crack on with these grows and pray our nosy neighbours don't smell our fools.
I love the nosy neighbours. I love to go and say, hey neighbour, moving no blood clot and stop looking over my yard. Take your eye over. Put your eye back in your yard and stop looking at my yard.
Oh well, let's crack on with these coke cells. Let's crack on with these grows and pray our nosy neighbours don't smell. I feel sorry for our old girls, all that stress we put them through. My mum that's buried her favourite someone, I heard the news, I couldn't move. Like what do I say, what do I do? Regardless, nothing to bring him back. I miss you bro, I blame myself, I could've done more, I let you down.
So him brother pass away. Alright to the G brother. But it's not right for a mother or a parent, our parents burying them child, you know. One of the hardest thing, G. One of the hardest thing. Me watch my mother bury my brother, and one of the hardest pain me ever see. Like you can see the pain from my mother's face, bro. No joke. You see it, so I know it.
I wish they left you in the can, and the feds never let you out. Rather visit you in a jail than have to bury you in the ground. So I'm sorry mum, sorry dad, sorry Joe, sorry Ann, sorry sis, sorry Steve, see you soon, roger that. All the family miss you, all the man that miss you. I've got a couple of scars to settle, then I'm out and coming to visit you. I'm more comfortable around killers than I am when I'm around civilians. We do equal splits and we lick it, they're ungrateful so they keep whinging.
Okay, now I can't keep up. We can't keep up. Big up the editor them. Let me take the time out to big up the editor them. We can't keep up with that one here. Morrison.
Money can't buy you happiness, but it can buy you a fancy car. But my B-side and it's Lambo, to be sat on the back of a bus. But I make my bed, I lie in it. If he's with me, then I ride for him. Being a boss is tiring, with the sacking and the iron. I'm from Newham and it's violent here. A lot of men are dying here. Friends that stab you in your back when you ain't looking to keep your eyes on them. We ain't ever had no guidance, that's the reason why we're reckless. We're either battling with our enemies or we're battling with depression. And
Deep. Man, I tell you, listen, we're either battling with enemies or we're battling with depression. So either way, we are get fight. Either way, we are in a battle, a ongoing battle. You see me? Because depression is a killer as well. Depression is a fucking killer. Not just the enemy, depression kills. You see me? So, big up the people them where I wallet through depression times. You see me? More time I get some really nice touching message where people send me and say, yo dog, you help me through my depression by creating a video them, whether I'm a gaming channel or this. You see me? So, big up the people them where I wallet. Just remember, say, yo, tough people last. Tough time never last, brother. You see me? So big up on yourself and keep on the head up, my G. Let's go.
I know that God protects me, but I can't move without my weapon. Cause he's let me down before, my enemies left me on a stretcher, so I stay with it. I'm on the edge, don't play with me.
Basically, in my tell you, say, you can't catch me slipping. You will never catch me slipping again. You catch me slipping already, put me on a stretcher. Me nah roll left me weapon, you can't catch me slipping. Try know that. Try know that.
Need this drip, I've got that PTSD stain on me. The struggle and the pain on me. Mum don't cry, just pray for me. It was us that shot the block up, but it's them man that are claiming it. Fuck you friends that changed on me.
It was us that shot the block up and we do it. We do the crime and then pussy they claim it. Them a claim it. Them not do nothing. Them a claim where we do. Them a claim our work, but we know deep down inside say we do it. Them boy they a bait. Them boy they a bait. Yeah. Them boy them mother a rabbit and them father a crab. So you call them crabbit. Them boy they a fool. Them a crabbit.
You fell off, now you're blaming me. Now the same man them that ate off me are the same man them that ate on me. It's a fair game and it ain't honest. Yo, I said it's a fake game and it ain't honest. And I'm knee deep in the trenches trying to make it out. I let my actions do the talking, I don't make a sound. It's showing love but ain't some man. Now he's trying to shake my hand. With them same pair of hands he used to try and take me down. With, after all the things I did for you. You only talk about them things I never did for you. I ain't perfect but I've been loyal. You diss me then you say you're loyal, blood that's disloyal.
This one is personal. That one is personal. Pussy, you this me and then you say you liar. That not loyal, you disloyal. This personal. Somebody mess with him. Somebody. But me know the feeling, dog. Me know the feeling. Some man too easy if you switch, dog. I saw them easy if you kill, dog. Lose weight, get you with the 17, dog. Pull back on the trigger. When you done wappy back on the thugs, them. So me dance and say fuck them. Tell the gualas for sending rest and stuff them. Start the war, we construct them. Hey, roll deep. Me dogs roll deep. Let's go.
Chip. And teamwork makes a dream work, but that can only happen when everyone in the team works. And no one gets to eat first. When we eat together. When we starve together. Smile, cry and laugh together.
That's every real loyal person goal for other person. They were dead for them. When them down, somebody's there to pick them up. When them eat together. You see me? That person will have them back. You see me? Yeah.
I'm keeping it moving. Ops got me loading Russians, I'm feeling like Putin. I need to stay around the man them that help me improve and stay away from man that find a problem in every solution.
Yeah. Stay away from the negative people. That's what I'm telling you. Them negative, because there is a solution to it, but you still find a problem because you want to carry through with the negative shit. You need to chill. You need to build. You need to chill, bro.
And here's the rapper starter kit, right about the hood, even if you ain't a part of it. Put some tattoos on your face, shoot a vid and dance in it. Put it on the net and probably chart with it.
The man just get the rapper starter kit. I always say this, enough of them rapper here, we are sing about them a cap, them a hat, them a woolly hat, them a do everything, them a lie. Them a tell lie, bro. Them a tell lie, enough of them a tell lie. Them not live it.
And here's the rapper starter kit, right about the hood, even if you ain't a part of it. Put some tattoos on your face, shoot a vid and dance in it. Put it on the net and probably chart with it. I couldn't count how many times that I got counted out.
I'm curious to know, who is those two people when just put on the screen a while ago? Well, not him. The editor them put, editor big up on himself too. Sometimes you know mix up and go in foolishness, you know. Sometimes you mix up and throw jabs at people indirectly. I mean, you know, big up on yourself still. But one know who is those two people that them put on the screen. Let me know.
Went from counted out to counted on to help the man them out. You told the ends that you're my hitter, but you never banged for man. People only knew you cause you hanged around with me.
You tell the ends say yeah me shatter, yeah me hitter. To lie you tell. People only know you because you hang around with me. Me and the G. The people them know and respecting on the street. Them know you because of me. So behave yourself, sit down and chill. You crab it.
And don't push me, I ain't scared to drop out everyone. And if I lose my odd pass, I'll just buy some extra guns. Bulletproof my whip and roll through any hood. Like fuck 'em.
You don't wanna buy? You don't wanna buy some gun when I bulletproof him and roll through anybody neighborhood? I said fuck 'em.
And I know a couple friends wanna kill me in it, but you know you can't, cause you know you still need me in it. That's why I keep you close, but I keep my distance. Fuck 'em. R.I.P. Steve-O, man. 0 L's to the world and back. Free Joey.
There must be a second song.
Hocus Pocus Harry James.
Second song. Let's go again. Give me the same vibe. Don't switch it up.
Morrison. It's a dog-eat-dog world. It's survival of the fittest. And it's kill or be killed. I'm from a violent little city. Man take kindness for a weakness, so I have to hide my feelings. I felt bad when I robbed my man, but I acted like I didn't. As a kid I never had much, and neither did my neighbours. We used to run around with O's and tears and all our trainers. We didn't know about designer, cause all our clothes were nameless. We weren't jealous of each other, cause we all had nothing to hate on. Then all that started changing, when we started making money. Shit was making more than so we started moving funny. Then we started getting hungry. Friendship turned to business. Then man used to be my friends, but then became a competition. We used to share the same vision, same plan, same mission. Then the money broke us up. Take that and Robbie Williams. We was friends that moved like siblings. Now we're oppositions. I would've killed the op for them. Now I'm the one that wants to kill him.
Oh shit. This is deep, bro. I can't reminisce upon most of what I'm just say a while ago. I can relate. A lot of us can relate to most of what I'm saying a while ago. Most of us can relate to that shit. Cause, long story short, money, brother. Money get involved and people change, bro. You see me? Money get involved and people change.
And they're the ones that wanna kill me. This life's been real, G. Trap money looking filthy. Clean guns, we turning filthy. We were shooting but not filming. The ends to enter Baghdad. Homes to enter bandos. Good kids to enter bad man. When guns went bang bang, man dropped like a santan. There can't bank scam. Shots fired like we sat man.
Yeah, the play on version just use a while ago with Santander.
Went bang bang, man dropped like a santan. There can't bank scam. Shots fired like we sat man. Ain't from Brom but we slash man. Cut his face with a kitchen. Tried this my G unit. Now he's got a $150. I done things I can't talk about.
Ooh, he's thinking in via metaphors and similes, brother. Morrison, this is a different side of you also. This is a different side, bro.
I'm from a hood you can't walk about. Mama want them Nike trainers. Now son we can't afford all that. So I started doing a paper round. And my friends started to call me Pat. I got paid £1 a week for that. And I gave my mother all of that.
The same start the paper round and him friend them start calling Pat. So Postman Pat. Your friend them are wicked. Your friend them crab it, brother.
I grew up in a council house in Everton's council that I got it from the mud and broke that cycle. I'm a landlord now. My kid's future, that's all pattern now. Me and Steve just went and grabbed the car. Brand new broke that cycle. I'm a landlord now. My kid's future, that's all pattern now. Me and
my kid's future, that's all pattern. Okay. They thinking with that refer to Simpson as something we're going to the future, which there's a lot of conspiracy where them say Simpson get a lot of things right and predict a lot of things. So I thought that was very that was why the Simpson come up on this Bart and Lisa come up on the thing. But it's not him say him kid them future pattern now. Them kid them future good. Alright.
Steve just went and grabbed the car. Brand new Porsche 911, all black like the Pamper cars. Hold on, wait a minute. You thought I was finished? When I was buying all them asses, you thought they was rented? I've been round a load of snakes that I thought was my brethrens. I've been taking loads of L's, but they weren't losses, they were lessons. I hit rock bottom, I had to level up, I got knocked down, I kept getting up, I'm in a
Why? Jaja City, Jaja Town, them want to turn them in a cowboy town now. Oh, can you? Bucklat. Him just turn up the beat. Him just turn it up. Let's go.
asses, you thought they was rented. I've been round a load of snakes that I thought was my brethrens. I've been taking loads of L's, but they weren't losses, they were lessons.
Let's go.
I hit rock bottom, I had to level up, I got knocked down, I kept getting up. I'm in a crop house for the smelly bud, and when I chop down, I might show you some. And you're all about when the bread is up, but you're not about when the bread is done. So I dropped out, nearly everyone because you opt out when the pressure comes.
Yeah.
You man, I brought because you sleep too much. I can't sleep unless my peas are up.
Oh no, Brock! Uno broke like buckle because uno sleep too much. Uno broke like board. Yo, looking at the road. Uno sleep too much. 24 hours you get in a day and you sleep what 17 hours out of it. What is wrong with you, brother? Uno sleep too much. The man say him can't sleep unless him paper up. Me second that. You mad?
I need to feed my son and my daughter, so I'm shotting while you brothers are moving bricks to smoke the profits. Half you need to stop it, even my daughter, so I'm shotting while you brothers are moving bricks to smoke the profits. Half you need to.
Man said me if support him son and daughter, so him a shot. Him up on the street and him a juggling thing. Cool. But him a say humans are moving bricks, moving big bits, moving keys, moving, you see me? Zeds or whatever I move. For smoke the profit on a crackhead. Jesus Christ, man. Him beat on the bad man. Him kicking on the mouth. Him kicking on the mouth and the teeth jump out.
Stop it, even after all the losses, blood, I'm still winning. Even after all the pain I've been through, I'm still grinning. I'm in a trap with more bricks than a builder's yard. There's no space for furniture, cause every room's filled with plants. I'm from Newham where the grillers are, the armed robbers, top shotters and some killers are. I done a move and robbed 50 large. Dylan wasn't there and I still fucking give him up. Your team.
Whoa, that's loyalty. That's loyalty. The man say him done a move and rob 50 lads, so him gets 50,000 pounds, 50 bags. Dylan wasn't there. Dylan, the man beat you up a while ago. The man said Dylan wasn't there, but fuck it, me give him half. So Dylan get 25 and him get 25. Yo, that's friendship, bro.
Teammate as real as ours, we're cool in the Dylan wasn't there and I still fucking give him up. Your team ain't as real as ours, we're cool in the shots. Not just one of us are on it, blood, we're all on our job. They're just talking a lot, but when it's action time they quieten down. I dropped out D, cause he wasn't on riding out. Birds
dropped out D because he wasn't on riding out. So him dropped out D, probably what the next person, alright.
keep flying out and money keeps coming in. Adventures kick the door, so we need to rent another crib. The man I'm getting money with, the same man I ride with. We clap man and drive off smiling. You won't see me hiding unless I'm on the run from the feds. I keep my 4 or 5 greased in case man come from my head. If you see me popping bottles in the club with my friends, we ain't slipping, mate. We've come here prepared. We've got something for them.
Bad, yo, me enjoy that one day. Me enjoy that. Marcy, me enjoy that. Marcy, me enjoy that, bro. Me enjoy that. No joke. These daily Duffy keep getting better and better and better and better, brother. These artists are putting in the work. Them talented. Them can tell them story in a song. That's talent. Me love that. Me love that. Guys, jeez. Big up the artist them. Big up the artist them. We are do it. Big up the artist them that's been doing it. Guys, this one I make a left one here. You see me? Big up on yourself, guys. Like the video. Subscribe around here if you're new, please. And don't forget to drop a comment down below and tell me your favorite part of the song, because there's so much. Guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. You see me?